me again. I've got this little video for you where I'm going to compare the clear acrylics from all the systems that I have. So I've got CJP, Unity, One Love and Naio. Now I got this idea from another lady who did a comparison video between it was the two clears from CJP, the clear from Naio and Glitterbell's clear. So I got the idea from her, and her channel is Glitzy Nails UK. So I'm going to link her video in the description box, because obviously she's got different clears from me. So you can, you know, if you have the Glitterbells and oh, she put NSI in hers as well. So if you've got those, head over to her channel and check out her comparison video and see which one was the best clear out of her collection. So yeah, I'm just going to pop these with some glitter. So I've got some gorgeous glitter from the wonderful Sarah at Smiley's. It's beautiful. So I'm going to put these on clear tips and we will see which one shows this gorgeous glitter the best. So I'm going to fast forward through all of that because the application is going to be a bit boring, and I'll come back at the end.
Like a broken soul in a wonderland without angels. That is how I feel when the mirror shows me a stranger. Yeah. And I know they're just fragments of a world where your absence all I get to see. Take me back to the planet where you and I are still meant to be. 'Cause I'm incomplete when you ain't by my side, when you don't wake up next to me. Yeah, I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets. 'Cause I'm incomplete. Yeah, I'm incomplete. I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets. 'Cause I'm incomplete. Yeah, I'm incomplete. But it won't be long before I realize it's a picture in my head, And I know they're just fragments of a world where your absence all I get to see. Take me back to the planet where you and I are still meant to be. 'Cause I'm incomplete when you ain't by my side, when you don't wake up next to me. Yeah, I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets. 'Cause I'm incomplete. I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets. 'Cause I'm incomplete.
here are the results. So this is the Naio. Looks lovely and clear to me. This is One Love. Still looks beautifully clear. Unity, again, looks beautifully clear. And CJP, yep, looks clear to me. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold them all together, and then we will be able to see if any is clearer than the other. That's wrong order, that's it. So Naio on this one, One Love, Unity, CJP. Let's see if I can hold them all together. Ugh, come on, these things are right fiddly. I'm trying to keep them in the right order so I don't get them mixed up. Okay. Now, to me, they all look the same. Oh, I've got a fingerprint on that one now. I can't actually see a difference between any of them. They all look really clear. I don't know if you guys can see a difference. Let me see if I can get this camera to focus. Right, there we go. Can you guys see a difference? Come on, camera, focus. It's really struggling to focus on the glitter. Okay, I think that's better. So yeah, I can't see a difference. I really can't. I think they're all really clear. Glitter is visually beautiful in all of them. So, I can't see that which one is better than the other. I really can't. There you have it. I have not achieved anything doing this video. They're all just as clear as each other. I can't see a difference. I really can't. They all look beautiful. So there you have it. Each clear is clear. Oh, that was a waste of time. I was expecting to have some results out of this. Well, different results anyway. I was expecting to see, you know, there was a difference between them, but there isn't. Oh well, that's that then. So I will be off now and get on with another video. I'm going to use my gorgeous hand dolly and do a design for you guys, a lovely spring one. So do come back to my channel again for that video, and until then, take care peeps, and I'll see you next time. Bye.